in today's video I am doing a photo shoot on film. I have Portra 160 and Portra 400 and I'm shooting on the Canon EOS 1V, and I'm going to be using today two lenses, the Canon 35 1.4 Mark II and the Canon 85 f1.2. And I'm a bit of a doy and I put in the ISO 400 film for golden hour, which is just perfect. And then we're gonna have the ISO 160 film for blue hour. I don't know what I was thinking, but we're gonna do our best with my mistakes and see what kind of photos we can get. I'm so excited to finally be shooting on film. I've shot with this camera with Agfa film once before with Christina, so if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave it linked down below. Even though Agfa isn't like portrait film, I still really like the way that it turned out, so I'm really excited to get this roll of film back once we shoot on it. Okay, ready? Oh, that's light meter. Oh, that's nice. You wanted to maybe hold the flowers like on your lap.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Do you want to twist so you're facing towards me and you're a little bit closer to that? Just throwing sticks around
my leg.
Oh. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Just takes me a while to change the focus point. You want to flick the hair out again, so you can even just tuck it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I like it like that, yeah. 1, 2. Oh, so fixing 1, 2, 3. Let me get a close up. Maybe a couple of portrait waves. Oh, I like that.
I like that.
Yeah. How Lydia's sitting. You got it. Maybe just down next to you. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's a really nice one. Just need to get my focus point to your face. There we go. Ready? Maybe some standings? Oh, wait. Someone digital actually before.
Mainly you guys, because I've never seen somebody change.
And then if you wanted to just like rest your hands down.
very warm. Oh, that light is so pretty.
It is so like fairy tale like.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Let's do some standing up ones now. Yeah. This is a more close-up shot. 1, 2, 3. I like that with your hand there. And then we'll do some without the fuzz. Oh, that's really nice like that. I think with the top of your head down towards your hand, yeah. Ready? Maybe if you put your hand in your back pocket. Oh my god. So. And I'll do some in portrait ways. Oh, that's really nice like that. Oh no, the sun's not in your face. Oh yeah, if you wanna shuffle over. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? The lighting really is magical here. Maybe I'll get extreme face.
Extreme.
Like nothing but face. Ready? Perfect. Oh, can I have that camera, please? This one's back to like a wide angle.
Not extreme face.
Yeah, no. Ready? Ooh, the sun's looking so nice right now. I'll try and get one with like your shoes in it as well. I like it if you kind of lean over and like touch your shoes. Cool. And do you want to try one laying down? Yeah. Maybe if you have like on your side, just kind of like, ready? If you wanted to maybe outstretch your arm and just like rest your head on it. And just flick back that little bit of hair. Cool. And then do you want to try one maybe laying on your back? These are really cool actually. Your landscape. I need to move my focus point. Give me a second. Nice. What else can we do? I want to stand on that rock. Maybe I'll lay down and shoot a photo like
Oh yeah.
pointing upwards, like hello. Oh, that's cool. And maybe tilt your head down towards me as well. And do you want to try one like maybe upstretched? And still kind of like lean towards me, like, yeah.
Like.
And maybe one more with your arms dangling down. Yeah, that's cool. $34. What do we do for the last one? Maybe like, maybe you walking towards me might be nice. Maybe with the flowers again. They're making a comeback. Yeah, just there is good. Okay, let me get my settings. 1/100. Maybe we'll get some like cool looking motion blur in these shots. But yeah, for this one, yeah, do like the little swing your arms around and like kick and
Oh, cool. Yeah.
when you're ready. And we'll do one walking towards me as well. Ooh, that was so good. I'm like, I couldn't decide when to take it.
Sorry, I kind of
Okay. Okay. Maybe looking to the side. That's it.
There we are.
Woo! So we just finished shooting on 2 rolls of film. That was so much fun to shoot on. And I only tried to look on the back of the screen once to see how a photo turned out because I was really excited when I took the picture. I'm so excited to get the roll of film back. You guys would have already seen all the photos that we took, but I have no idea what they look like. I also just wanted to say a big thank you to our team. Claudia is our model today, Lydia did hair and makeup, and Dan is behind the camera filming this beautiful behind the scenes for us all. But yeah, let me know in the comments which ones were your favorite photos and what you thought of them. But as always, I make new videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all next time. I said that all out of order. Bye.